Good evening, sir. Today I would like to present about our Java project. And basically, this is the name of our Java project group, 0G03 underscore network. And these are the members in our Java project group. Before I run the program on command prompt, I would like to explain a few things. As usual, we'll run the XAMPP server. Then we import the database into php.my_admin. And as usual, we type cd and we paste the file directory. And next, this is important as we use this command to run the entire libraries for execution. Because if we use javac command, it will show errors due to too many Java files in the libraries in the project. So as usual, I use command prompt and I copy the file directory, Java project. And next, I copy this command and the GUI appeared. So before that, I already imported the database that I mentioned earlier, farm records DB, SQL, and record SQL into my php.my_admin. And it's here. This is the name of our database, and records is used to store different information from ID until location of the farm records. And before that, I already keyed in 4 different records into the database. And today I will key in the 5th one. The 5th one. Start with insertion. And I browse the image. As I already saved it in desktop. And for the stem, and for the leaf, and the date, I will choose today's date. And for the time, maybe I put 9 p.m. Location, for example, Cuba National Park. And I add record. Yep, insertion is successful. And I come to my php.my_admin, I refresh, and the latest one will show. This is the latest one that I entered with ID 11. Cuba National Park, none, Pinanga, everything. And after that, we proceed to view records. This is the records that stored in the database 1 to 4 and 11. 11, the 11 ID is the latest one that I just key in. So back and we proceed to search record. For search record, user can search by ID or by other fields. For example, the ID that previously stored 1. If user entered 1, search. Yep, all the information will show up. And if user entered 2, search, all the information also will show up. User also can search by common name. For example, Jirene, search, also appeared. And user also can search by species. For example, yep, also appeared. Same goes to image, date, and time. Because for location, leaf and stem, we did not put a function, search function for them. So next, for example, the ID is ID3. I would like to no, I take the latest one, maybe 11, the ID 11 here. Then I search. For example, I want to update either by common name. I just simply key in something loud, then I update. Yep, record successfully updated, and I go back to this PHP myadmin, the database. I refresh, and the name, common name changed to loud. And let's try update another thing. For genus, maybe I type grass, update, so successfully updated, and genus, yep, show grass. So I also can delete this ID 11. If I press delete, record deleted successfully, and go back. Yep, the latest one is already successfully deleted. So this left just these 4 that I keyed in just now. If the information in the search records is not in the ID here, it will appear errors. For example, here is 1 to 4, I key in 5. Yep, record does not found. Or for example, here I simply key in something, I search, record also does not found. So it's the same apply to add record. If I simply key in something and I add, it will show error that others are not filled up. So I proceed to search record, already finished. Then I proceed to generate report. Generate report either can search by location or by date. So as in the database, the location, for example, the first one, I put Mountain Nibong. Then for the date, 2020 7/11. And I print, and it will show up the summary report for the record Mountain Nibong, but search by location, filter by location, Mountain Nibong, and the other fields. It also can search by different dates or different locations. For example, I remain Mountain Nibong as my location, and the date I just key in 2020 7/9. Print. Yep, it show up Mountain Nibong is the first one, and 2020 7/9 as the second, filtered by date, the information. And I also can, for example, I put it by 10, as 10 has 2 different records. Print. Yep, it also show up 2020 7/10, filter by date, and this filter by Mountain Nibong, the location. And for example, I just key in another one, Gunung Matang, as in here. Print. Yep, it show up different one. Oh, sorry, Gunung Matang. I key in. Yep, here, Gunung Matang. And this one is the filter by date, this one filter by location. So basically, for the general report, we can either search by location or by date or by both also can. So basically, this is the flow of our GUI. As if user want to exit, just press close and will show up the confirmation message. Does the show want to exit? If no, it will remain. If yes, then it will exit. So basically, this is the flow of our Java project and our GUI. So thank you, sir, for watching, and hope you have a good day.